In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Premiere Pro. And there's at least two ways of cropping a video in Premiere Pro. One is by adding black borders around the cropping rectangle, and another by actually zooming in on the video and moving it around within the frame, which will produce exactly the same effect as cropping. First, go ahead and press Shift 5 to open up Effect Controls here. It's this tab over here in the upper left corner. Then make sure to actually click on the video clip that you want to crop. Now, the next thing you want to do is actually open another Effects tab at the bottom, and you can do that by pressing Shift 7. Now, Shift 7 will open up the secondary Effects tab here, and in the search box here, you will type Crop. Now, you'll see it showing up under Video Effects and Transforms folder. So just click and drag this crop effect directly onto your video clip. As soon as you do that, in the upper left corner under Effect Controls, you'll see controls for the crop. You can drag the left, right, top, and bottom controls here to crop your video clip by adding black borders around it. Sometimes that's how you want to crop your video. Now I'm going to undo this by removing the black borders. And I'm going to show you a second way of cropping a video using the same controls. Now in the same effects panel here, you can change the scale by dragging the scale value left and right with the mouse. So basically we're using zooming in on the video as a cropping tool. And then you can also change position. Now doing this in Premiere Pro will achieve the same effect as cropping without the black borders around the video clip. And that's it, guys. These are the two ways to crop a video in Premiere Pro.